After Ram and Durga, Saraswati Puja has now become a new flashpoint between TMC and BJP in poll-bound West Bengal. In a bid to woo the voters ahead of the state polls, both the BJP and TMC have geared up to use Saraswati Puja, that is one of the most important religious and cultural events in Bengal. While the BJP leaders are gifting Saraswati idols to people, the TMC has organized more than 100 pujas in Hooghly alone. The TMC MP Aparupa Podar is herself overseeing these arrangements. The TMC is also using this particular puja to publicize the welfare schemes that are launched under Mamata. However, the BJP has accused the TMC of using puja to get Hindu votes. The BJP alleged that in a bid to consolidate the vote bank, the TMC is now wooing Hindus.
দুর্গা পূজার বিসর্জন করতে গেলে পুজো করতে গেলে হাইকোর্টে সুপ্রিম কোর্টে যেতে হয়। এই ব্যবস্থা কিন্তু আগে ছিল না। উলবেড়িয়ায় সরস্বতী পুজো করতে গেলে ছাত্রছাত্রীদের পথ অবরোধ করতে হয়। মুর্শিদাবাদের তো এমন এমন বিদ্যালয়ের নাম আমি বলে দিতে পারি যেখানে মাননীয়ার আমলে সরস্বতী পুজো বন্ধ হয়েছে।
People of Bengal, the common people, the educated people, they are knowing that what the environment is prevailing all over India. Now we have to save Bengal from the clutches of this BJP. So many more clubs have been involving in this puja, and they are doing it on the banner of Trinamool Congress.
BJP Bengal chief has responded to the controversy of Durga remarks he made at the India Today Conclave East. He also spoke on the face-off over Saraswati Puja. Listen in.
नारी का अपमान देखना है तो बंगाल में हर मोहल्ले में, गली मोहल्ले में बलात्कार और खून हो रही है। इसलिए एक नारी हो कि जितनी बेइज्जत की बंगाल की नारियों की, ममता बनर्जी को सबके सामने हाथ जोड़कर माफी मांगना चाहिए। मैंने इसीलिए बोला, राजनीति में दुर्गा कहां से आ गई? फिर एक बार बोल रहा हूं, उनका अक्ल कम है, समझ नहीं पाते हैं, बार बार बोलना पड़ता है। दूसरा की बात की थी। हाँ, मैंने इसलिए कहा कि कोई राम राजा इसीलिए है, मनुष्य है, इसलिए उनकी पूर्वज है, मेरा भी पूर्वज है। दुर्गा का ऐसा नहीं है क्योंकि वो भगवान है, देवी है, आराध्य है, तो इसलिए हम पूछे कि उनका पूर्वज है क्या, उनको कैसे राम के सामने ला सकते हैं हम? तो ये इनका दिमाग सठिया गया है। जो हारने का डर आता है ना, लोग अनप शनप बकते हैं उनके, और हम सच्चाई की राजनीति देश भर में करके दिखाया है, इसलिए लोग हमारे तरफ आ रहे हैं। जय श्री राम बोलने से किसी को जेल में डाला जाता है, इन्होंने किया है। जो दुर्गा पूजा का और मूर्ति विसर्जन को रोकते हैं बंगाल में, उनको दुर्गा का नाम लेने का कोई अधिकार नहीं है। सरस्वती पूजा बंद करके जो पाप किया है ना, उसका प्रायश्चित कर रहे हैं। दुर्गा पूजा का विसर्जन में बाधा डाल के जो पाप किया है, इसलिए दुर्गा कर रहे हैं। माँ दुर्गा इनको वरदान नहीं करेगी। सरस्वती का बंगाल में सैकड़ों साल से पूजा होता है, घर घर में होता है, मंदिर में होता है, क्लब में होता है, हर स्कूल में होता है। कई स्कूलों में आज सरस्वती पूजा बंद हो गया है इनके चलते, उसको चालू नहीं कर पा रहे। आज लोगों को दिखावा के लिए इस प्रकार सरस्वती पूजा का ढोंग कर रहे हैं, इससे समाज समझने वाली नहीं है।
Little time left on this broadcast, but Priju Datta, member of the Trinamool Congress, and Dr. Geeta Bhatt, academician, both are joining us on this broadcast. Appreciate you waiting and taking the time out. First up, Dr. Geeta Bhatt, why is this entire battle to garner vote bank all becoming about gods? It was Lord Ram first, then goddess Durga, and now Saraswati. Whether it is the BJP or TMC, both of them, both the political parties are coming across as no different. Instead of focusing on development, they are all, raising political planks over these gods and idols.
Well, you see, culture is a very, very important part of every society. And all of us know that, Basant Panchami is a very, very important festival across India and is dedicated to the goddess of knowledge. Goddess Saraswati is the goddess of knowledge, and the prayer is to bestow us with intelligence and with creativity, with wisdom. However, it is in a way good to see that TMC has suddenly done a U-turn. Who till last year there have been controversies related to Saraswati Puja across the schools. It is basically a function which is celebrated across majority of schools, in fact, most of the schools across the India. But because of in the last couple of years, ever since TMC has come to power, there has been a controversy where the Nabi Divas, which is Prophet Muhammad's birthday, that has been in clash with the Saraswati Puja celebrations in the schools, and it is the Imam councils.
No, my question is a little different here, and I appreciate your inputs right here. Riju Datta, the member of TMC, how do you respond to Dr. Geeta Bhatt as well? My question is simple. What BJP was trying to do to garner the Hindu vote bank, the TMC is making itself look no different by trying to do the same thing and, really going ahead and singing the tunes from the BJP playbook with this appeasement politics over Saraswati Puja. Is winning the Hindu vote bank a road to the secretariat, and that's all that matters to your political party?
First of all, very good afternoon to you. Good afternoon to Geeta ji, and very happy Saraswati Puja to all. I think it is very small-minded to look at Saraswati Puja through political lens. We as the TMC has never played the religion card. There is no point of appeasement. You, Chaiti, has said that why not we talk about development? So I'm going to make some pertinent points here. On the eve of Saraswati Puja, because she's the goddess of knowledge and common sense, teachers in our life has a very big role to play for everybody. So our Honorable CM on the eve of Saraswati Puja has declared that all the teachers in the rural of Bengal who have been posted away from their house, steps have been taken so that they are posted in their own district for their ease of going to the schools and imparting education. Kanyasri is an initiative of Mamata Banerjee where 69 lakh girl childs have been given scholarships to pursue education, which is rewarded and acknowledged by United Nations.
So while you're doing good development work, as you were just mentioning, why aren't you focusing on the poll plank being with regards to development? And, increasingly one is seeing all the political parties, whether it is BJP or TMC, they're all involved in this God and religion politics, because somewhere it looks like an easier ticket to the state secretariat, Riju Datta.
No, again, I just wanted to finish what I was saying, Chaiti, and I will come to what you are asking. And the third scheme is the Shabut Shakti scheme, which imparts bicycles to all these boys and girls to go and attend schools which are far and about in rural Bengal and rural India. So this is the development that we follow. And talking about religion politics, if you see the history of Bengal and politics in Bengal, prior to 2019, there were no religion politics in Bengal. This is what BJP has brought in. This is the culture that BJP has brought into Bengal about, they have first started politicizing idols, appropriating icons. Now they are starting to do politics on Lord Ram, Ma Durga, now Ma Saraswati. Few days ago, Dilip Ghosh, wearing the half-built person he has insulted Ma Durga, who is, as per our Hindu scriptures, the mother of Ma Saraswati. Now he is giving big claims on your channel.
But the TMC has done no different in Hooghly. You've organized more than 100 pujas in Hooghly alone. So
we have been doing Saraswati pujas for hundreds of years. For the last 10 years,
okay.
In Trinamool regime also, Saraswati puja is going on. If we have done 100 additional pujas in Hooghly, what difference?
Okay.
How can you say it is political mileage? It is a process that we are following for years on end.
Sure.
Saraswati puja happens in every house of Bengal from the time Bengal has been constituted. It is nothing new for us. It is for BJP who is trying to get some political mileage out of it because they have no more agenda. They cannot play the Ram card or the Durga card after what they have done. So, and I also pray to Lord Saraswati, Goddess Saraswati, that because she is also the goddess of common sense, to impart some common sense into these BJP people and stop politicizing our religion and our gods and gods.
All right. Thank you so much. Appreciate both of you taking the time out of your busy schedules and joining us with those inputs right there.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.